In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on this Ram 1500. Let's get into it. We're going to start by disconnecting the negative terminal. Use a 10mm wrench. Loosen up this nut. Just grab the terminal and slide it off. Now we'll take the positive terminal off. Use a 10mm wrench. And slide that off. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to take the bolt out for the hold down. Take the hold down and the bolt out. You just grab the battery. This one has a handle, so I can pull that up. If not, you can just grab it from the sides and pull it up and slide it out. Take the battery, slide it in place, slide it back. Now take the hold down, get that lined up, and tighten the bolt down. And snug that down, making sure the negative connection's not close to the top of the battery. Connect the positive side. Always start with the positive side when you're installing a battery. We'll tighten this down. Give it a wiggle, make sure it's tight. Now take the negative side, push that on, make sure it's all the way down, and we'll tighten this side. Snug that down, give it a wiggle, that's good and tight.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.